Cash's 6th birthday. Cash, how does it feel to be 6, bud?
Good. 3 and 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mommy.
Rainey's ready to sing.
There was 7 candles and I'm 6.
One to go on?
You have to light on.
On is fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this in front of you. But we gotta, yeah, Daddy be on Rainy Patrol. Hold on, and I'm gonna run over behind Coco so we can sing.
Happy birthday to
Cash.
Not mommy. No.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cash. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Today is Cash's 6th birthday party, and we are hosting a slime party. We're getting everything ready, and I didn't really find a lot on a slime birthday party when I searched around to look for ideas for his party, so I thought I would go ahead and vlog it so you guys could see our process and what works and what doesn't work. Hopefully we have a lot more that works than doesn't work today. I'm still waking up, by the way. It's 9:50, but it's just been kind of a slow start, just getting everything ready. So here we go. Bought this rainbow slime add-ins kit from Amazon. Okay, here's our setup for the slime party. Each child has a glue, a magical liquid, and a spoon to mix it. So once they get here, they open their glue and then head over here to the mix-in station. We have foam balls and then glitter, and I mixed some tiny glitter in each bowl. I'm hoping none of these ends up dumped on the floor, but so I've got all of the mix-ins and then some paper towels, of course, but they're just going to stand, that way they can move around without falling or dumping. And that's how we're going to do our slime party. We're excited. Cash's 6th birthday. Happy birthday to you. He's over here watching his iPad. It's your birthday party.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Here's Cash's cake. It's Pokemon. It's a cupcake cake. And then here's his chalkboard with all of his likes and dislikes. I make these for them every year, so this is this year's. It has Pokemon or Pikachu. We're gonna get everything set up. Daddy is, what are you doing, Daddy?
I'm making some homemade pico de gallo.
Homemade pico for the party. All right, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Is it making you cry?
A little bit.
All right, we're ready for the party to start. We've got cheese balls, pretzels, chips, veggie tray. Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
Meat tray, fruit tray. I sent Daddy to the store for a fruit tray.
Hi, everyone. It's my birthday.
Yay! Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
What are you most excited about?
Celery.
Pretzels? What about having your friends over?
Uh-huh.
Okay, are we gonna fix his hair, Daddy? Okay, here's our table with the cupcake cake and the birthday board. Cash. Okay, and then In here, in our living room, we've got slime all set up. We're ready for everybody. It looks like our first guests are here. Yay! What color do you want? Purple? All right, that looks awesome.
I'm doing
Evie, yours looks awesome too. Do you need more color? Yeah, I've got color.
Okay, now
Everybody's mixing their slime.
hey, yeah, I was about to say now if you guys want that you have the squirt. You see your squirt bottle with the red lid?
Yes.
This stuff is the magic sauce. It's called the activator. Okay. If you put too much activator in it, it can make your slime hard. So we want to go what? We want to do one squirt at a time.
And
so
then
we're
mix.
gonna count the squirts. Okay. So I want everybody to put their activator red lid off.
Yes.
Hold your activator, baby. Hold your activator. Everybody got their activator?
All right.
Turn over. I want you to give it one squeeze like on the toothpaste bottle. Okay? One squeeze like on the toothpaste bottle. 1, 2, 3, go! One squeeze. Okay, now put your activator
More
down
than that.
and stir.
There you go.
Keep stirring. You're getting there
Oh, it's
already.
coming
You're getting
together.
there already.
Oh, it's getting like
Nice.
It's
Knock
getting
a little
kind
bit
of
more. Put a lot
harder.
more squirt in there.
It's getting
Cassie,
harder.
you need more too, bud.
Me?
Yeah. Sorry.
I'm gonna come around and add a little bit. You keep going. You're getting there, bud. That's so pretty. I want that to be my
I know, me too.
Keep stirring, bud.
Is it coming together? Ooh, it's coming together.
Hold it with one hand. Hold your
Whoa, Coco. Ooh, yours looks yummy.
Hold it with one hand. Okay,
Oh,
stir with
Finn.
the other.
I would eat that.
Go fast, like you're gonna chop it up. Go fast. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Chop it up. Okay, baby. Yeah, Coco's getting almost there. See how Coco's is like, you can't even like watch it? So keep, yeah. That looks so pretty. That okay.
Looking good.
Some of my kids are the ones that.
No photo.
All right, ready?
1, 2, no cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cash. Happy birthday to you. Woo, Cassie! Hey, happy birthday, Cash!